Congratulations on your new windows. Replacing old windows with modern, energy-efficient designs is a smart investment that enhances your home's comfort, appearance, and value. To make the most of this upgrade, proper maintenance is essential, especially in Orangeburg, where the humid climate and occasional storms can put your windows to the test. This guide provides simple, practical tips for maintaining your new windows, ensuring they stay beautiful, functional, and efficient for years to come. Clean your windows regularly. Regular cleaning keeps your windows looking pristine and prevents dirt, grime, and debris from accumulating. Glass. Use a soft, lint-free cloth or sponge with a mild glass cleaner. Avoid abrasive cleaners that could scratch the glass or damage energy-efficient coatings like Low-E. Frames. Clean vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass frames with a gentle soap solution and a soft cloth. For wooden frames, use a damp cloth and ensure they are thoroughly dried afterward to prevent moisture damage. Tracks and sashes. Vacuum or wipe down tracks and sashes to remove dust and debris that can hinder smooth operation. Tip. Clean your windows on an overcast day to prevent streaks caused by quick-drying cleaner under direct sunlight. Inspect for damage or wear. Even new windows can develop issues over time due to wear or weather exposure. Regular inspections help you catch problems early and avoid costly repairs. Glass. Look for cracks, chips, or scratches that could compromise insulation and safety. Seals. Check for signs of broken seals, such as condensation between panes or a foggy appearance. Frames and caulking. Inspect the frames for cracks, warping, or peeling paint, and ensure the caulking around the edges is intact and not dried out. Tip. Perform a thorough inspection at least twice a year, ideally in spring and fall. Reapply caulking and weather stripping. In Orangeburg's climate, fluctuating temperatures and humidity can cause caulking and weather stripping to degrade over time. Caulking. Scrape away old caulking and apply a fresh layer to maintain a tight seal that prevents drafts and water leaks. Weather stripping. Replace worn or damaged weather stripping around the window sash to improve insulation and keep your home comfortable. Tip. Pay close attention to areas exposed to direct sunlight or heavy rain, as these are more likely to wear out quickly. Lubricate moving parts. Windows with movable components, such as double-hung, sliding, or casement styles, require occasional lubrication to operate smoothly. Tracks and hinges. Use a silicone-based lubricant on tracks, hinges, and locks to prevent sticking and reduce wear. Avoid greasy products. Avoid oil-based lubricants that can attract dirt and grime. Tip. Lubricate moving parts once or twice a year, or whenever you notice difficulty in opening or closing the windows. Protect against moisture. Orangeburg's humid climate makes moisture control a priority. Preventing water infiltration and condensation is essential to maintain the integrity of your windows. Condensation. If condensation forms on the interior glass, use a dehumidifier to regulate indoor humidity levels. Water damage. Ensure gutters and downspouts direct water away from your windows, and repair leaks promptly to prevent moisture-related issues. Tip. Wipe away any condensation or water buildup as soon as you notice it to protect frames and sills. Maintain window screen. screens play a vital role in keeping bugs out while allowing fresh air in. Regular maintenance ensures they remain functional and attractive. Cleaning. Remove screens and gently wash them with soapy water. Rinse thoroughly and allow them to air dry before reinstalling. Repairing tiers. Replace or patch torn screens to keep pests out. Inspecting frames. Ensure screen frames are not bent or damaged. Tip. Store screens in a safe place during the winter to prevent unnecessary wear. Be prepared for storms in Orangeburg, where storms are a possibility. Taking proactive measures to protect your windows can save you from unexpected damage. Storm protection. Consider installing storm shutters or impact-resistant film for added protection. Trim nearby trees. Regularly trim branches near windows to reduce the risk of storm damage from falling debris. Tip. Check your windows immediately after a storm to ensure they remain in good condition. Schedule professional maintenance. Even with diligent care, some maintenance tasks are best left to professionals. Annual or biannual inspections by a window specialist can ensure your windows remain in optimal condition. Glass repairs. Professionals can address cracks or chips before they worsen. Frame adjustments. Expert adjustments keep windows aligned and functional. Deep cleaning. A professional cleaning service can restore your windows to their original shine. Conclusion. Protect your investment. Maintaining your new windows after replacement in Orangeburg is an essential step in protecting your investment. By cleaning regularly, inspecting for damage, and addressing minor issues promptly, you can extend the lifespan of your windows and enjoy their benefits for years to come. With proper care, your windows will continue to enhance your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and curb appeal, no matter what Orangeburg's climate throws your way. For the best results, combine regular DIY maintenance with periodic professional inspections. Enjoy your new windows. They're a beautiful and functional addition to your home.